I will share with you a trick I did with the fan motor. I will turn a broken fan motor into a wind power generator. If you are interested in this issue, please watch the entire video to know all the steps I have done. First, I will remove the engine. Because the engine was broken, it rusted. I used sandpaper to rub off the rust on the rotor shaft. I just rubbed it for a while and it seemed to be shiny again. You should be patient with this job to get good results. I continued rubbing the stator. Hope it will work fine again. Next, I used a 12-volt battery to excite the rotor. Use 2.5mm wire wrapped around the rotor shaft. I will wrap it 5 times. Then I clamp one end of the wire to the negative terminal of the battery. The other end I will swipe against the positive terminal several times to magnetize the rotor. Now I will take it to magnetic test. I took a small piece of iron and brought it close to the rotor. Immediately, the iron was attracted to the rotor. Now that the rotor shaft has become the magnet shaft, I will reassemble it with the stator. Hopefully, when I do this, the motor will be able to generate electricity. Next, I will use the meter to measure whether the motor can generate electricity or not. I will connect the 2 wires of the motor to the terminals of the meter, then use my hand to rotate the motor shaft. It's amazing how motors can generate electricity. Next, I used a 90mm diameter PVC pipe cap to make the bearing. I used 27mm plastic pipe to make the arms. I will cut it into 150mm pieces. Next, use a ruler and pen to draw circles and straight lines on the plastic pipe. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Then use a saw to cut along straight lines. I used a heat gun to heat one end of the plastic pipe. As the plastic tube heats up, I will make the legs look bigger. Using screws, screw all the plastic tubes onto the plastic bearings. Note: install the plastic pipe wing in a square shape. Next, I used 4 flat PVC sheets to make the wind vane. Use a pen to draw curves on the plastic sheet. Then use a knife to cut off the marked part. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Next, install the blades you just made onto the bearing arms. Use special glue to firmly attach the wing to the arm. Next, I used a piece of aluminum foil to cover the bearing cap of the spoiler. Then use scissors to cut a 90mm circular piece. Then use scissors to cut a 90mm circular piece. Use hot glue to attach the plastic eyelet to the fan shaft bearing. Next, I used the fan base to make a mount for this generator motor. Then use screws to secure the motor to the base. Next, I will attach the spoiler to the motorcycle. I used hot glue to secure it. Then I use one jack to connect to the motor output. Use tape to wrap the joints and then wrap the wire securely to the base body. Once I finish the wind generator, I will take it to a windy place to test it. First, I will hook up a transformer circuit and generator output. Next, I took a fan and plugged it into the power source. Next will be the incandescent bulb. I will test the reliability by pulling the connector out and plugging it back in several times. It's great that the generator works and produces a very strong current. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.